divide 466 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 6 and it is 16. 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting, we get 0. So 466 divided by 5 is 93.2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.